Get clear, visualize, assume the state, surrender, gratitude. In the realm of transformation, ever heard of the law of assumption? It's more than mere belief, it's the portal to your wildest aspirations. Picture a world where your thoughts shape your reality, where assumptions sculpt your fate. In this video I'll unveil the mysteries, showing you how to reshape your destiny. Where assumptions unlock the extraordinary. Stay tuned, for this revelation might just rewrite your story. The law of assumption is a fundamental concept rooted in the teachings and techniques of Neville Goddard, a prominent 20th century spiritual teacher and metaphysical author. The law of assumption is central to understanding how our assumptions shape our reality and manifest in our experiences. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the power of our assumptions or beliefs in creating the circumstances and events of our lives. The law of assumption, explained by Neville Goddard, suggests that the way we think and expect things to be can significantly influence our reality. Our core beliefs, expectations, and mental attitudes determine the reality we experience. Goddard argued that assumptions, when accepted and impressed upon the subconscious mind, inevitably manifest in the physical world. The underlying principle is that we can consciously choose and assume a desired reality, align our thoughts and feelings with it, and thereby attract corresponding experiences into our lives. According to Goddard, it is crucial to embrace the assumption of already having what we desire and living in a state of the wish fulfilled. This assumption should be so ingrained within us that we live and act as if our desire has already come to fruition. Through persistent assumption and belief, the subconscious mind accepts this assumed reality as truth and works to bring it into our actual experience. In my next video on law of assumption, I will discuss about new research that shows how quantum physics challenges our assumptions about reality and causality, and how it might be possible to test whether we live in a deterministic or probabilistic universe. So, staying on our current topic, the question is, how to use the law of assumption effectively. Here is 5 steps guide. Step 1. Identifying and clarifying your desires. The first step in effectively utilizing the law of assumption, according to Neville Goddard's teachings, is to clearly identify and define your desires. This step is fundamental to the manifestation process, as it sets the foundation for the assumption and manifestation. Take time to reflect on what you truly desire in various aspects of your life, be it relationships, career, health, personal growth, or any other area. Consider your aspirations, goals, and dreams. Engage in introspection to understand what genuinely resonates with your heart and aligns with your values. Specificity is crucial in this step. Clearly articulate and define your desires with precision. Instead of a vague wish, formulate a specific, detailed, and concrete goal. For instance, if you desire a fulfilling career, specify the type of job, position, industry, or income you seek. Envision the end result of your desire. Picture yourself already having achieved what you desire. See the details vividly in your mind's eye, whether it's owning a home, being in a loving relationship, or achieving a particular fitness goal. This mental image will guide your assumptions and actions. Delve into the emotional and sensory aspects of your desire. How would achieving this desire make you feel? What emotions would it evoke? Connect with the joy, gratitude, love, or fulfillment you anticipate experiencing. Engage your senses, imagine the touch, smell, taste, sight, and sound associated with your desire. Ensure that your desires align with your core values and beliefs. Consider the impact of the desired outcome on your life and the lives of others. Make sure that what you wish for is in harmony with your principles, ethics, and long-term well-being. Put your desires in writing. Create a detailed description of your desires, incorporating the specifics, emotions, and sensory elements you've envisioned. Writing down your desires reinforces your commitment to them and helps crystallize your thoughts. Revisit your written desires periodically. As you grow and evolve, your desires may also evolve. Feel free to revise and refine them to align with your changing circumstances, values, and aspirations. Cultivate a deep belief that your desires are attainable. Remove doubts and limiting beliefs that might obstruct your faith in achieving what you've identified. Trust in your ability to manifest these desires using the law of assumption. Identifying and clarifying your desires is like setting a destination on a GPS. It provides the clear direction needed to navigate through the law of assumption effectively. The more precise and heartfelt your desires, the more focused and potent your assumptions and manifestations will be. Step 2 is creating a vivid mental image. After identifying and clarifying your desires, the next step in effectively using the law of assumption, based on Neville Goddard's teachings, involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. This mental image serves as a powerful tool to reinforce your belief and align your subconscious mind with the assumed reality. Engage your imagination to visualize your desired outcome. Form a clear mental picture of what achieving your desire looks like. Visualization is about mentally experiencing the end result in a detailed and vivid manner. Enrich the mental image by involving your senses and emotions. Feel the textures, colors, and sensations associated with your desire. Immerse yourself emotionally in this visualization, experiencing the joy, excitement, and fulfillment as if it's already a reality. When creating the mental image, place yourself in the scenario as if you are experiencing it now. Imagine yourself standing in your desired home, feeling the warmth of a loving relationship, or celebrating your professional success. Live in the moment within your mind. Accompany the visualization with positive affirmations related to your desire. Speak encouraging words to yourself, reinforcing your belief in the achievability of your goal. Use phrases like, I am or I have, to affirm your assumed reality. Repeat this visualization regularly, ideally daily. The more you revisit and immerse yourself in this mental image, the stronger and more convincing it becomes to your subconscious mind. Cultivate a deep sense of belief and conviction that this mental image is as real and valid as your current physical reality. Your subconscious mind cannot distinguish between real experiences and vividly imagined ones when beliefs are strong enough. Remain open to allowing the mental image to evolve and expand. Be flexible in how the details manifest and trust the process. Sometimes, what you visualize may come to fruition in unexpected but delightful ways. After the visualization, express gratitude for the assumed reality you've envisioned. Thank the universe, or whatever higher power you believe in, for already having granted your desire. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy associated with your visualization. Creating a vivid mental image through detailed and immersive visualization helps program your subconscious mind with the assumption that your desire has already been achieved. The mind works in alignment with this assumption to manifest this reality in your life, aligning with Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption. Step 3 is acting and aligning accordingly. In the context of utilizing the law of assumption effectively, act and align accordingly refers to consciously aligning your actions, decisions, behaviors, and attitudes with the assumption of already having achieved your desired reality. It emphasizes living and behaving as if your wish has already come true. Modify your actions to reflect the reality you've assumed. Act in a manner consistent with having already achieved your desired outcome. If, for example, You assume the reality of being in a loving relationship, act as a loving partner would. Align your thoughts and language with your assumed reality. Let go of negative or doubtful thoughts and instead, focus on positive affirmations and thoughts that reinforce your belief in the assumed outcome. Use language that affirms the reality you are striving for. Align your emotions and feelings with the state of having already achieved your desire. Cultivate the joy, gratitude, and contentment associated with your envisioned reality. Keep yourself in a positive emotional state that matches the assumed outcome. Make decisions in line with the assumption of your desired reality. Choose options that support and lead you towards the assumed end result. Avoid choices that contradict or hinder the manifestation of your desired outcome. Maintain consistency in aligning your actions, thoughts, and emotions with your assumed reality. Be persistent in your efforts to live and act according to your assumption, reinforcing it daily until it manifests in your life. Continuously reinforce your mental images and visualizations through aligned actions. Let your actions serve as a living manifestation of the mental image you've created. This synergy between visualization and actions is powerful in manifestation. By aligning your actions and behaviors with your assumed reality, you create a congruent and harmonious energy that supports the manifestation of your desires in accordance with Neville Goddard's teachings. Step number 4 is, let go and surrender. Let go and surrender involves releasing any feelings of desperation, anxiety, or control regarding the manifestation of your desires. It emphasizes trusting the process and the universe, and surrendering the need to control every aspect. Here's a detailed explanation. Let go of any attachment to the specific way or timing in which your desire will manifest. Detach from the need to control every detail and outcome. Trust that the universe will unfold in the best way for you. Surrender any anxiety, doubt, or fear associated with the outcome. Trust in the law of assumption and the power of your beliefs. Anxiety and doubt can act as barriers to manifestation. Surrendering them opens the path for the desired reality to manifest. Cultivate faith and trust in the process of manifestation. Believe that your assumptions are being heard and accepted by your subconscious mind and that the universe is working to align circumstances to fulfill your desires. Focus on living in the present moment rather than fixating on the future manifestation. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment now, appreciating the journey and the steps you're taking. Practice mindfulness to stay present and aware of your thoughts and emotions. When anxious or doubtful thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently let them go. Be grateful for your current circumstances and what you have in your life at this moment. Express gratitude for the process of manifestation and for the assumed reality that you are aligning with. Surrendering and letting go allows you to release resistance, making room for the natural flow of your desires into your reality. It aligns with Neville Goddard's teachings by trusting the subconscious mind and the universe to manifest your assumptions. Now the final step is expressing gratitude. Express gratitude involves acknowledging and appreciating the assumed reality as if it has already manifested. It's a practice of thanking the universe or a higher power for granting your desires. Here's a detailed explanation. Cultivate genuine gratitude for the assumed reality you've envisioned. Feel the gratitude in your heart as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This emotional state amplifies the positive energy associated with your assumption. Verbally or mentally express gratitude, thanking the universe, the divine, or whatever higher power you believe in. Use phrases like, "Thank you for," followed by a statement affirming the assumed reality. Picture yourself expressing gratitude for your desire. Visualize yourself joyful and thankful for having achieved what you assumed. This visualization reinforces the emotional and mental alignment with your assumed reality. Incorporate a daily gratitude practice into your routine. Take time each day to reflect on and express gratitude for various aspects of your life, including the assumed manifestation of your desires. Focus on feeling blessed and abundant for what you assume to be true. Embrace the feeling of being already blessed with your desired reality, further solidifying your gratitude. Maintain a gratitude journal where you regularly jot down the things you are grateful for, including your assumed desires. Writing them down helps in reinforcing the gratitude and assumption. Expressing gratitude aligns with Neville Goddard's teachings by infusing your assumptions with positive emotions and affirming the reality you've envisioned. It attracts more positive energy and paves the way for the manifestation of your desires. Using the law of assumption effectively involves unwavering belief, persistence, and a deep understanding of the power of assumptions in shaping our experiences. By consciously choosing and assuming the reality we desire, aligning our thoughts and actions with that assumption, and persistently living in the state of the wish fulfilled, we can manifest our desires into our lives in accordance with Neville Goddard's teachings.